Mr. Anup Bugadi, listen to me. Sambit, very nice, huh? Very nice. He's prepared in many languages right now. Unlike you, Waris Pathan, Sambit is preparing to campaign in Bengal. He's learnt Bengali. Sambit is planning to campaign in Tamil Nadu. He's learned Tamil. Sambit is going to campaign in Telangana. And what I need to tell you today, Waris Pathan, is this. Look at this man, Sambit Patra. Look at this man, Sambit Patra. No, 1 minute, Sambit. 1 minute, Sambit. Today, Sambit, when Sambit started his political career, Are Baba, Anupji, when he started his political career, Waris, because my privilege over many years is that I have got to know many of these politicians over a long time, including you, Waris. When he started his career, he was a spokesperson for the Delhi BJP. Then he excelled and became a national spokesperson. Today, Waris, you must understand, Sambit wants to campaign in Tripura, where the left has been removed by his party. He wants to campaign in Manipur, where the party has gone from 0 to 21 seats. He wants to contest in my state of Assam, where 10 years, 15 years back, nobody thought BJP would come to power. He now wants to campaign in Bengal, where everyday Trinamool leaders are joining the BJP. Acha, he wants to contest in Haryana, where he's together with Dushyant. They are running the government out there, which you people want. So you see, the story is one of expansion. Are Mr. Waris Pathan, this party has grown. It's the second. It's in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala municipal elections, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. What are you doing?
So heavy.
What are you doing? You are sitting in Baikala and shouting at somebody.
You saw the Bihar results.
You are no. What are you doing?
The Bihar.
You are not expanding.
The Bihar results are before you, Arnab Goswami. We have 5
Yeah, you formed the election in Bihar.
Now the BJP
you formed the government in Bihar. Sambit has thrown it. No, did you form the government in Bihar? Did you form the government in Bihar? Did you? Tell me, did you campaign? Did you?
Are they going
Who formed the government in Bihar?
Are they going to have a mayor in Hyderabad?
Sambit is very mild with you today. Sambit is quiet. He's being kind.
As Amit Shah says, mayor will be from the BJP. But what we are
as of now, I saw 48 seats in Hyderabad.
The dreams have gone. They cannot have a mayor in Hyderabad now, Arnab. Will Sambit have a mayor in Hyderabad? No. Because Amit Shah says they are going to have a mayor
Mr. Waris,
there.
let me answer you.
Our strike
Mr. Waris, let me answer you.
In cricket also we see the runs at the
Mr.
average.
Waris, let me answer you by reminding you. Let me, Waris Bhai, I heard you. Now listen to me. Waris Bhai, remember it was Asauddin Owaisi who had challenged us and who had said, even if you take 1,000 births, you would not be able to remove Article 370. Now Article 370 does not exist. So please don't challenge us by saying that you will never have a mayor, you will never make an inroad into South India. See, India is not divided into South, North, East and West. We all are one. We all are brothers and sisters. Sabka saath, sabka vikas. These divisions, the politics of dynasty, the politics of appeasement, these have to stop. And remember, every political party, the regional political parties and the Congress, what it was doing since the inception after independence in India was trying to have a similar template. The template of appeasement, the template of Jativad, the template of family fiefdom, and in that template you all were functioning. What BJP under Modi has done, Modi ji and BJP has now derailed this template, debunked this template, and that is why we are excelling.
Was put by the BJP government? Nothing. What mehnat was done by
now
the
let
BJP
me, since you have brought a very pertinent topic, my dear friend, now let me talk about the Hyderabad floods and as to why we are approaching towards 50 seats and why you are denigrated into a third position. Now let me talk about the Hyderabad floods. Do you know, Mr. Goswami, October 13th and October 14th, when Hyderabad was washed with floods, when Hyderabad was clogged with floods, 30% of Hyderabad was drowned. In fact, KCR's party promised that we would be delivering 10,000 rupees to all those who were affected in the flood. But astonishingly, they gave only 10,000 rupees to their own karyakartas. 10,000 rupees depending on which religion you belong to. And
Arey,
that
you
is the
could not give
reason as to
15 lakh
why we are
rupees to
seeing the
people in
reason
Bihar. You are
what
talking about
result what we are
10,000
seeing
rupees
today.
here, Mr.
No, no,
Sambit.
would you not pay 10,000
Sambit
rupees to the
Patra,
ones
what
who are
has the
affected
BJP
with
done
that?
for the betterment of Hyderabad
you
till
played
date?
appeasement
I am
politics
asking a
there.
simple
You
question.
gave 10,000
What is your
rupees. You
agenda?
doled out 10,000
What is your
rupees
agenda?
only
Merely
to
you
your
want to win the
karyakartas
election
and
you
to
want to change the name
particular
of Hyderabad
community,
to Bhagyanagar.
not to the
By
people who are
changing the name of
affected.
Hyderabad
And
to
that is why
Bhagyanagar,
the result
will you
is
gain
not in your
something?
favor today,
Will
sir.
development take place? You are not answering to my queries.